My Frigidaire refrigerator is beeping that the filter needs to be replaced. We can't get the new filter to click in place and would just as well not bother with the filter. The manual says to just click the cap in place. Did that, but the alarm is still beeping. How can I stop the beeping without replacing the filter?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Do you have a model number so I can see how to reset the filter light?
Model #ED5LHAX with serial #XXXXX.
Okay, well, this unit won't beep at you if it has a filter that needs to be replaced, just the filter light will turn on. If your unit is beeping, it either means that the unit doesn't think the door is shut, or the temperature in the refrigerator/freezer is too warm. So you can leave the filter out if you want, but the beeping is something else associated with the filter.
So do you have any suggestions?
Peel back the door seals, and do you see the lights on inside the refrigerator or freezer when you have the door shut?
I have been upstairs all evening and have gotten back to the computer at your responses. Now that I am going down at your responses, I think the freezer is running constantly. The ice container is quite frosted. If I understand your request, no, I don't see light when the door is closed.
Okay, so it sounds like maybe your freezer isn't cold enough or the unit doesn't think it's cold enough. You will need to get an auxiliary thermostat from the grocery store or something and find out what the real temperature is. If it's over 0 degrees, then call a technician out because something has failed and the unit isn't cooling properly. If it's below 0 degrees because it's running so much, then you'll need a new thermostat because it's not sensing the temperature properly and the refrigerator is cooling too much. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
Thank you for trying to help me. I have a thermometer and will put it in the fridge overnight. The fridge is still under warranty, which will be a help. Good night.
No problem, and I'm glad the unit is still under warranty. I wish you the best of luck.
This has been kinda fun. Good night again.
Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.